Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in two different colors. The yarn is in size 2, so it only has 2 strands. And the crochet hook that I'm using is in size 3 millimeters. We need to make 8 squares. I've already made 7. I'm going to make one on camera. I made something similar to these house shoes a while back, but I used the yarn in size 4. The pattern was also different. I used yarn in size 4 and I used the crochet hook in size 5, and they were kind of quite large. I mean, they fit me, but I don't think they would fit the people's normal shoe size. So we have 6, then we have 7, and now we're going to make one more on camera. I tried to make so many different adjustments here because I wanted to fit people with a smaller foot size. So we'll see what we will end up with. Alright, so I'll start by making a slip knot. Then I would chain 4. So now that I chained 4, on the last chain from the hook, I'll make a slip stitch. Chain 3, now we're starting row 1, and then through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 1, then through that same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Now I'll chain 1, then through that same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 1, then through that same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. It's sort of like a granny square. That is only row 1 and row 2 would be like a granny square. The third row would be different. And now to finish row 1 I'll chain 1, then right here through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, through these next 2 chains I'll make a slip stitch. Through this 2 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch, and then I'll chain 3. Now through the same 2 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Chain 2, then through the same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 1, through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 1, through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 2, through that same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 1, through this next 1 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 1, through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. chain 2, then through the same loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 1, through this next one chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 1, through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 2, then through the same loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 1, through this last one chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 1, through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch, I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn, and so this completes row 2. So now for row 3 I'll use yarn in different color. Now right here through this 2 chain loop I'll insert my hook, then insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 1, through that 3 chain loop I'll make 3 half double crochet, I'll chain 2, then through the same loop I'll make 3 half double crochet, now you see we have these 3 double crochets. Between these first 2 double crochets I'll make 1 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochets I'll make 1 half double crochet, through this next one chain loop I'll make 1 half double crochet, between these next 2 double crochets I'll make 1 half double crochet, between the next 2 chains I'll make 1 half double crochet, through this next one chain loop I'll make 1 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochets I'll make 1 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochets I'll make 1 half double crochet. Now through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 3 half double crochet, chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 3 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochet I'll make 1 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochet I'll make 1 half double crochet, through this next one chain loop I'll make 1 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochets I'll make 1 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochets 1 half double crochet, through this next one chain loop 1 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochets 1 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochets 1 half double crochet, between through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 3 half double crochet, chain 2, through that same loop I'll make 3 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochets 1 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochets 1 half double crochet, through this next one chain loop 1 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochets 1 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochets 1 half double crochet, through this next one chain loop 1 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochets 1 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochets 1 half double crochet, through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 3 half double crochet, chain 2, then through that same loop I'll make 3 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochets 1 half double crochet, through this next one chain loop 1 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochets 1 half double crochet, we're almost done, between the next 2 double crochets 1 half double crochet, through this next one chain loop 1 half double crochet, between the next 2 double crochets 1 half double crochet, In between is the last 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet. Now to finish row 3, right here is first half double crochet chain. I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So we have 8 squares now. Our slipper is finished. Now we just have to figure out how to put it on. Okay, so now I'm going to use the first yarn to join it. Alright, so now we're going to join them from a wrong side. So first what I'm going to do is join, see, these 2 sides together. Now we're going to take another square and join it this way. And after we finish with that one, we take another square and we join it on the right side. See what we have so far. Now I take see, fifth square, and we're going to join it with these two sides. So now that you reach this point, I'm going to see on the right side there's this opening, so I'm going to join this corner to this corner here. The next square we'll join it here, but just make sure not to join these two sides together. So we're just going to join it to the left side. See? And now we have one more square. This is how we're going to join this one. Alright, so let's start here. Just have one more corner and we'll be done. So turn this inside out. Actually, it looks very nice. Now if you want, you can join these two sides together all the way up, but I'm not going to do that. So this one will fit sizes 6 through 8. So this is all for today, guys, and I'll see you next time with another video.